Hello everyone, back to my channel. Today we are going to learn something new. So today's topic is we need to add Nginx with our EC2 instance. So I'm going to teach that how you will link, create and connection between both. Here I am going to tell you first few things about Nginx, like what it is. You must be thinking, if you are new to this line, you may think what it is. Nginx is a powerful, high-performance web server that widely used for hosting a website and handling traffic. You know that. Yeah, that's a basic. See, it's like a multiple tool for modern web infrastructure. Like there are models in our cloud computing like AAS, PaaS, SaaS. So it's mainly used in infrastructure as a service means AAS. So you must be thinking that what kind of things a Nginx can be means performing, what kind of things it can do. So we can say that web servers it can create for a static file. Reverse proxy can be done for backend servers and return the response like there is a pattern of our computer and the internet. When we search for anything, we request the data from internet and we get that data back from our server in the form of a response. It can also perform load balancer, content cache, mail proxy, and much more. So let's see the spelling of Nginx, Nginx, but we pronounce it as Nginx. So let's move forward to the practical. I'm not going to waste so much time on this because we are good at practicals. You must also learn the theory, you must know the core concept, but main thing is there that you should also know the practical. So let's create an instance quickly. As you everyone know that we have already learned to create the instances, so I will not take much time. We will create it so quickly. So launch instance. So let's give a name as demo. Choose your version as Ubuntu. Same key pair we have already created. I am having few ones, so we are going to work with them only. If you choose any, if you have created, if you don't know how to create, just go and create. It's very simple step. You can see in my EC2 one. So see 8 GB custom, just create an instance. We are not going to write anything in our advanced detail settings. So let's wait for our instance to be launched and to be ready. See, it has been successfully launched. Now reload. We will wait for instance states and status check. So guys, you can check here that we have successfully connected and it's in running state. It has passed the security checks also. Now what we will do, we are going to open our instance, click on instance ID, then we are going to connect it. You can see the connect button here, click on it. Then here you can see four things like EC2 SSH client, session management, EC2 connect. So what we are going to do, we are going to connect it from here. So here you can see everything is here. Now just click on connect. See, this page is going to open. So you can see that we have landed here now and it has been loaded. So what will be our first command? Let's be first a super user. Okay, for super user we use sudo space then -i, click on enter. See, now you can see that you are not a IP user, you are now a root IP you are having. Let's click it. So what you can do, you now need to update your system. Apt get update, click on enter. it's updating. So we are going to now install. Now, so this video is about Nginx. So we need to install it. So let this get, see, it's done. Now paste this command. Sorry. See, as we are using it online, sometimes it may show a slack. Like my internet speed is fine today, but I don't know why it's showing. So let's install Nginx. See, do you want to continue? Yes. This is very simple for those who have used the Ubuntu or any operating system for Linux. But those who have not used, it's a bit barrier, you know. This is a barrier. So what we will do, we have installed. Now we will check the status of our Nginx. Nginx space -t. Okay, let's see what was there. See, you can see here that successfully. Okay, so let's get enter. Successful, done. Now we need, now we, what do we need here? You can see now we need to check the status. So it's st, sorry, now we need to check the status, so we will use service Nginx space status command to check the status. You can see here our Nginx is installed correctly, and see that it's loaded, enabled, present, enabled. Its status is showing as active as running. Okay, everything is done, but in few PCs when the status is not showing running, then you can just give the command of start. Where you have given the command of status, there you need to write start enable. See, service Nginx start or enable if it's disable, but by default it will be enable only. For some cases I am saying. So I will help you with something. I'm giving you a command. See, I can write the command directly, but let's give you this command curl. What it do? So here are all the features. What does curl command do? So you can just read them one by one. So what I need to do is curl. I need to check the local host. So I will give the command curl localhost. So what happened here? It's showing me the page where my localhost page is present. Now what will happen whenever I want to go to my local host, this page will be listed there. Means whenever I will open a website, whatever the code of HTML is written here will be displayed there. So first, let's change the code. Let's give that code what we want. Okay, so firstly what we will do, we will change our directory. We need to go to where folder, then we will go to www folder, then we will go to HTML folder. Here we will enter. See here what's given, no directory such found. So I don't know why this happened. Oh sorry, after cd you need to give a space. See, because cd is for change directory, then we are changing. So we have entered here. Now let's open the list of files which are present here. So this is our file. So we need to add, means edit this file only, this one. Here you can see this file, so I will copy it from here only. Copy. Then I need to write the command for cat is for editing. Means whenever I need to give my command or change my command, that what I want to do in this file is cat command, means I want to modify my data. So then just paste, so it's coming. Just let's edit. I don't know why these things are coming, maybe because of my commands. means copy paste is not working. So what happened, we are now in HTML file. So what we will do, let's change this one. So let's give the command for echo, then we will write student 4 not 4 yet to be found. Okay, so we can say here or student yet to be found. So what we will do now, simple, we will just close the braces, we will give this symbol here, you can see, then we will give the file name as index.html because it's the first file in any web page, in any website. We can say that this is the first file which will be get loaded, or as a default page this will only be there. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll click on enter. So echo student, again I have done the same mistake. See guys, likely I'm going to use Windows so much, I'm not using Linux that much, but still I need to learn. Human make mistakes, this is a common one. So I have edited my file, see now nothing came. So what we will do, we will use our same command as we have used previously of curl. So you can write it, I just went up. Now what came, now my message is student not found. Done. Now go to connect, connection is established. Now go back to instances, open this instance, open address from here. You can see here what message has been displayed, which we have changed the file. Here you can take a website like a simple one, as there was an HTML code, you can write the HTML code in VS Code and run there once. Don't add any images or something, add a message in your tags or whatever you want to create something creative. Okay, just add them in a single file and upload there, where we have put our message of echo. Then in those double inverted commas you can add any code, then you can see whatever you will type here will be displayed here. See, now we are connected to Nginx. So what will happen here, I am going to just give you an idea. So here usually we will not give the message, we are giving the message to check whether it's connected and working properly or not. Now it's connected also and working also. Now according to your job, wherever you will perform, wherever you are going to do something, they will give you that this is the web page, we need to host it, so you can give the website here. So it's basically for static one only. For currently dynamic is also possible, that we are going to learn in our future ones. So that's all what I need to tell you now. As usual, we will go to instances. Don't forget to terminate your instance, because this will create, the usage will be increased and your free tier will be finished soon. And if you are in a paid version, if you don't require any instance, I am not saying delete it, you can delete it for the time, but most of the time terminate it. If you are creating for learning purposes, or terminate means I have terminated, why I'm doing again, just load it, it will go yourself. Most of the time these services go as you use, pay as you go. You have heard of this term, this implements here only. So guys, be careful while playing with this AWS account, because you don't know, you have entered your card credentials already. You can get a bill if you leave any activity, means in a working state only, or whatever you are doing. Instance S3 buckets we are going to learn, we are going to learn IAM users and many other things that we are going to learn in future. But as we have done also as today class, so use it. You can stop also, it will not charge you. Like you are creating a project, stop it later on, just then again. But be careful, you are having a limited storage here and limited everything access in a free tier. So guys, that's all for today. Hope this video helped you a lot in connecting to Nginx. So I'm going to plan my next video on Jenkins. So let's see, whenever I will get the time I will upload it. Okay, thank you guys.